So managers, Mother's Day is around the corner and it's time to get your team ready. First up, staffing. Make sure you have enough hands on deck to handle the rush. Schedule extra staff and get them pumped. Next, training. Brush up on procedures and special ops. Teach your team to greet moms with warmth and make them feel special. Perfect timing to role play with your team and use the strengths of others to encourage the team to work on perfecting their service. And while our spirits should be high and in celebratory mode, don't forget to consider the compassion and empathy we may need to have for some, as they may have experienced a loss, and this time is actually very challenging. Communication is key. Keep everyone in the loop and encourage teamwork. Lastly, show appreciation. Recognize your team's hard work and keep spirits high throughout the day. In addition to recognizing the moms on your team for being on your team, working their shift, showing gratitude, and you may even give them a special gift to show that you truly care. Get ready to make Mother's Day unforgettable for your customers and your team. Let's do this. Happy Mother's Day prep.